handle one.
What?
Yeah, look.
What did you find, GB?
A handle Hoover.
Okay.
Let's buy it.
How much is it?
It's here.
Ah.
Okay, let's buy it now.
What company is it? Gablin.
Dublin.
Let's see. Show me, please. Oh my God. Look at that.
Here.
Is this handheld Hoover?
Yeah.
Is it for my car?
No, it's for me, for the sofa.
No. You buying it for my car, weren't you?
No, we used to have one.
Huh?
Yeah, but now it's broken. That's why you've been using it in your car. So I'm not sharing this one.
You're not sharing it with me.
No.
Why not?
So you were using the old one in the car, and then you lost it in the old car. So I'm not giving you this one.
Okay.
Okay, GB. I thought.
Scan me, Mom.
Why did you open it?
This way, look.
So, guys, this is the Hoover. Oh my God, you used it?
Yeah.
Oh my God, GB.
We can
Okay. Listen.
You can wash the filter.
Okay, I like your face paint. It looks really, really nice. You look handsome.
I charged it already.
Okay, guys. So we bought this new Hoover. Let me see. I was at the shop and GB made Daddy buy this for him. Yeah, naughty boy. Okay, so it's this Goblin mini
charger.
cordless vacuum cleaner, handy for cars,
guys.
crumbs, and quick cleans.
Guys,
Yeah.
you know when you're done using the storage vacuum?
Okay, we will show this
put this
everything.
lid
Wait. We will show everything. First, it has this kind of whatever that is. Lithium battery 7.4 V and up to 15 minutes run time, and stainless steel filter and HEPA filter. Easy charge means power or USB, and this is how it looks like. And it's 2-in-1.
Wait.
And it comes with the brush
don't
and
wash it.
tool, and this is how it looks, and it looks quite good for the price we paid for. And this is the lid, and this is the switch.
No, you know what's the lid for?
Uh-huh.
When you're done using it,
Yeah.
you put this clip it back on.
Okay, that's good. It looks nice, and it comes with this tool.
Like
So-
Henry Quick.
Yeah, Henry Quick. Yes.
No.
And what about this?
No, it came with the dice.
So the suction looks really, really good.
Should we take the dirt out and then suck it back?
Okay. So this is the battery life. 1, 2, 3.
Guys, look, it's got so much blow.
Yeah. And GB already put so much stuff in there.
Guys, look.
Okay.
It's been cleaning the stairs. Talking about the writing.
Okay. So we're gonna test this now, and this is the booklet. It comes
guys-
with the booklet. Yes.
Make sure the book.
Oh, GB, you're testing it now. Yeah, yucky. So guys, this is it. This is the movie.
Even it's got
booklet.
another filter. It's in
Oh,
there. Can you see
okay.
that?
Let me see. Oh, it's so, guys, it's so cute.
But I can take it back. Not right now.
Okay.
Not at the moment.
So
I'll show you later, guys.
this is disgusting, guys. This is disgusting. Okay. So what we're gonna do?
Clip it back on.
Mm-hmm.
I know how to just clip it. So easy. Wait. Oh, it just jumped out like a trampoline. Let me show you the filter. So you see the condition?
The condition is very bad because somebody's been doing the Hoover crazily. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, GB is going to fix this and close it.
There's a lot of dust.
Is it? Okay. And now.
Don't put the brush, then it will get all dirty.
Okay. Oh wow. This is good.
It's blocked.
Guys, this is amazing. I'll do it from here. This is so good.
It's blocked from the run. It's blocked from the run. Let me fix it. Naughty vanity.
Actually, put this in the bin. Empty in the bin. Go quickly. Take this as well. Take this. Okay. So while GB is gone to empty it, this is how it looks from there. This is the motor, yeah? It's quite powerful. Can you hear the sound? Yeah, it's quite powerful.
Mommy, why is it on?
Yeah. So guys, if you want to charge it, yeah, you can use any adapter, and it's Type C. This is Type C charger. So you can charge your phones and you can charge the Hoover.
No, you can't charge it.
Yeah, no.
It's only mine.
Okay, fine. Come on then. Now put this in there. Let's see. So nice and clean.
But it just needs some cleaning with water.
So you fixed it, and this is how it looks.
You know how does it charge?
Yeah.
First, yeah, you plug it on here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Comes with this already. It didn't come with everything. It comes with this plug it. Then we plug it here.
Mm-hmm.
Then it starts charging.
Yes, it's so good. Okay, so now it's time to test it.
Charger.
No, without the charging. It's charged already, I know. Just
Yeah.
test it now.
I charged it in your room.
Yeah.
Wait, let me just put all the stuff on it. So you guys have a look at all the...
Come on, charging time, testing time.
So let's try with the brush.
Okay. Wait. Yeah, now I'm good. Do this. Oh, it's gone.
That's right. You know why is it not sucking up?
Why?
It's too tiny.
It's tiny. It's for the mini. It's mini cordless, so it's for small, tiny. Okay, take this. Let's suck this. Over this. Oh, it's gone. Over this. Yeah. It's nice and clean now.
Gone.
And there's a hair in here as well. Where is it? Yeah, it's good.
So guys, you know we can clean. Look, you can clean this. You can clean the kitchen. You can clean the cars, and you can clean the tables.
Yeah, you can clean everything basically.
This
Like
is the
small
battery.
crumbs and biscuits crumbs and crisps and everything.
Not crisps. That's too heavy and big.
Is it?
Wait, what is this, guys? Yeah. Okay, let's close it up now.
Okay, how do you close it? You told me that you can put the lid on top, yeah?
What? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You don't need to just lock it. You don't need to twist it. You just pop it on.
Mm-hmm.
So easy. Lemon squeezy. Look. So you know the packaging is actually good. Okay. It's so tiny and cute. Next time you can do a vlog with it in the car.
Okay. You can clean my car with this, yeah?
No. I'm just joking, we can. Okay, now the last thing. Instruction book. Yeah, I just leave the instruction book out. Everything fit. Look, what? Everything's literally fixed in there.
So what about this one?
That was outside already.
No.
Yeah,
It was inside the box.
Let me take everything out. First, let's put the instruction book.
I think you have to fold it because the bag is too tiny.
No, we can just put it like this. Can't fold it.
Okay, so I think GBB will struggle with this. Take the instructions out. We don't need the instructions anymore. Hold on, let me do it.
No, pick it with your hand.
Okay, you take it out.
I'm a robot hand.
Now give it to me. Oh no, I'll take care of this. It's okay. I'll take care of this. You do this.
Just
Come
put
on.
in the your.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it.
So GB, you like this vacuum cleaner?
It's so lovely.
Is it?
And it was being sucking for months.
Yeah.
No, we've been using it for 1 year. That's why we bought it, like, from London. Yeah. We got it from Asda.
Yeah.
Thanks to Costco. Switch toys.
Okay, now are you done closing?
No. Wait. Wait, we can put the tool here.
So guys, this is the vacuum cleaner. If you guys are interested, you can buy it from your local supermarkets. It's so good. GB is in love with it, so am I. I'm going to try it and test it in my car, and I'll give you guys the review.
My daddy bought it for me.
Okay, your daddy bought it for you. And if you would like to buy it right now. And
That's
GB
right.
loves it. And I'm going to test it in my brand new car, and then we'll see how it works. And thanks for watching GB's vlog. And like, share, and subscribe.
Wait, let
GB,
me
what do you
show
have to
you
say?
guys. Let me show. Bye. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Or do you don't like my video, then you can't come to my vlogs.
Okay. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And you have to subscribe and like the videos. You hate GB, right? So he will see you guys soon. And yeah. Say bye-bye to everyone now. GB. Okay now. GB, are you going to say something?
Yeah. Bye.
Bye-bye.
See you next video.
Look, GB's struggling. Okay, bye guys. GB's done. We're done. We'll see you guys soon.
Bye.
Bye-bye.